Hey there everyone, how's it going? I'm Tharun, and in this video we're going to continue on with our HTML series. We're talking about HTML forms, so let's get right into it. So in the previous video we did that form thing. I just made it a little bit neater so that you could understand it properly. So what we've done here, let me just recap everything. We did this input, okay? Yeah, we did this input. And we did this one, these three inputs too, right? And then we have the break tag and this input. This is what we did, right? So what is this new thing, label? Label is nothing but if you want that username and the gender, those words to occur there, you have to use this. You could just write blankly username, but that's not a good practice. This one is good practice. Okay, so label and you write that. Okay, let me just show you how it looks. So this is how it looks because we have used label and gender. It shows up like this. Okay, and we have the submit button too. Now what I would like to show you in this video is, let's talk about Fieldset, okay, for 2 minutes. So Fieldset, what is Fieldset? Let me just type it and save it, then you'll get to know. Let me just come here and type Fieldset, save it. So it Fieldset, it wraps the form within a line, okay, it wraps the form within that box. And now, if it wants some letters coming up there, let me show you what the legend tag does, so that you could understand by yourself. Like for example, let's tell this form is for sign up. Okay, so we could tell legend and save it. Boom! It shows sign up there, isn't it? So that is the work of Fieldset and the legend tag. Okay, that is what they do. Now let us see what if you want a password field. Okay, so for the password field, let's just copy this. It's like almost the same. Okay, paste it here. Let us just indent it properly. Okay, this is gonna be for label for password input type equals to password, and yep, and we need a name also. You remember the name attributes are very important. This is going to be username and this is going to be password, else they're not going to get submitted to the PHP form. Okay, remember that. Sorry, it's not name, it's password. You could call it anything, but okay, save it. So what is the difference between input field and password field? But in the input field, what we do is when we type, it shows up, right? But in the password field, as you would have guessed, whatever I type, it doesn't show up. So that is a password field. So what else? Let's use that required, required, right? And password is also required. Save. So we have that. What do I want to show you? Now what I would like to show you is the drop down menu. Okay, select drop down menu. You know what, I just do that in the next video. So next video is going to be pretty much exciting because we are like getting close to the finish line. Okay, so thank you guys for joining me. See you in the next video. Don't miss it, and goodbye.